Good morning, my dear sisters and brothers. At the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, about 5 years ago, churches were closed. There was no public celebration of masses. But thanks to modern technology and social media, the church was able to bring to the people via Facebook or YouTube the celebration of the Eucharist. That's why even those people, even you who were at home, in your convent, in your workplace, you were able to go to Mass. Go to Mass because of these online Masses. Thanks be to God that the COVID-19 pandemic is over and the churches were open again. Now, you can come to the church, celebrate in person the Holy Eucharist. But some people, for one reason or another, are still unable to go to church. Yung iba po siguro, mga matatanda na hindi na makalakad, yung iba mga may sakit na bawal lumabas dahil baka magkaroon ng infeksyon. Yung iba naman, nakasanayan na yung online Mass. Walang sakit, hindi matanda, kaya lang, Father, nasanay na kami sa online Mass eh. No? Nakakalabas naman kung gugustuhin, nakakapunta sa mga mall, pero pag misa, online na lang. Well, we are trying here at least at the Manila Cathedral, Father Biel and I are trying our best to give nourishing homilies. Yung mga homily na may kapupulutan ng aral na kapag dadagdag ng pananampalataya. And we are trying our best. Not all the time that we succeed, no? You know that. But we are trying our best to give the good homilies daily. Kaya yung iba, kahit wala sa simbahan, sinasabi, Father, no, sa inyo pa rin kami nanonood. Sa Manila Cathedral pa rin kami nagmimisa o nagsisimba. But there is one thing missing. When you just watch online Mass, there is something missing. And that is the reception of Holy Communion. Yung mga nagsisimba online, para kayong umattend ng birthday party online. Kumakain kami, nanonood lang kayo. That is why I encourage everyone, especially those who can, especially those who are able to go to Mass in person. So that here in the church, you can receive the Holy Eucharist. Iba pa rin yung, merong spiritual communion, no? May prayer. Pero iba pa rin yung nalalasahan ng iyong dila at tinatanggap ng iyong puso ang Panginoon. Sabi ko nga yung online Mass is just like attending a birthday party. We are eating, you are watching. Of course, you can request your parish priest, no? Magpadala ng mga lay minister. Pwede yun, especially on Sunday. And I know some parishes distribute Holy Communion to the sick on Sundays so that after watching online Mass, they may receive Holy Communion. But if you are able, I repeat, if you are able, go to church in person so that you may receive Holy Communion. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of receiving Holy Communion. Why? Because in the Gospel, Jesus said, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never hunger. What you receive in the form of a small host is not just an ordinary bread. What you receive is Jesus Himself. And Jesus said, if you receive me, you will never hunger. Of course, the Lord did not mean physical hunger. Alam nyo, sa totoo, nung bata ako, akala ko, kapag nag-communion, hindi na magugutom. No? Hindi pala. Hindi ibig sabihin ng Panginoon, pag nag-communion kayo, hindi na kayo magugutom. Magugutom pa rin kayo, physically. Hahanap pa rin kayo ng kanin at ulam. Hahanap pa rin kayo ng tinapay, hamburger, no? Hahanap pa rin kayo. But what does it mean, no, when Jesus said, you will never hunger? It means that the bread of life will give spiritual sustenance to you. It means that the bread of life will give you spiritual nourishment, that it will give you the strength to face the challenges of life, the tragedies of life. It will give meaning to what you are doing, because your strength comes not from you, but from the Eucharist that you receive as Holy Communion. Mga kapatid, si Jesus lang ang makapagbibigay ng kahulugan sa ating buhay. Si Jesus lang ang makapagbibigay ng tugon sa ating mga tanong. Si Jesus lang. Let us thank the Lord for making Himself available to us as food, as bread of life. And let us not allow this opportunity to pass by, because Jesus alone can fill up what is lacking in us. Amen.